Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Sayyidina Usam radiyallahu ta'ala and is the blessed companion who was the last one to come out of the blessed grave of beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam after lowering his blessed body. He radiyallahu ta'ala and has stated, I am the last one to see the luminous blessed face of the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam in the blessed grave. I saw that the blessed lips of the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam were moving in the luminous grave. When I got my ears near the blessed mouth of the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, I heard him saying, Rabbi ummati, ummati. Oh gracious Lord, my ummah, my ummah. There is a blessed hadith on it. The beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has stated, after my apparent demise, I will always keep on calling Ya Rabbi ummati, ummati, i.e., O gracious Lord, my ummah, until the second trumpet will be blown. Muhaddis-e-Azam, Pakistan, Allama Maulana Sardar Ahmad Sahab rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh would say, the beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam remembered us throughout his life by saying, Ummati, Ummati. Ghame ummat mein raaton ko rote rahe, aasiyon ke gunahon ko dhote rahe. This was the state of Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Even in his luminous grave, he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is saying, Ummati, Ummati. And he sallallahu alayhi wasallam will continue to do so until the day of judgment. Even he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam will say, Ummati, Ummati on the day of judgment. In reality, if he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam had said ummati only once, and we say Ya Nabi, Ya Nabi, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habiballah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam throughout our life, even then we would not be able to fulfill the right of his one saying of ummati. Let alone Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is continue to remember us, but unfortunately majority has forgotten the true teachings of Islam. We are not following the true teachings of Islam. We are not following the fara'id and wajibat, sunan, and the prophetic way of Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. We should also remember Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam through our actions. We should also remember and mention the blessed seerah of Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam to our upcoming generations. This is our responsibility, being in the ummah of Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Why? Because ek mera hi rahmat pe dawa nahi, Shah ki sari ummat pe lakhon salam. Respected viewers of Madani Channel, we are fortunate that we are born in the ummah of Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Even the prophets made wish to be in the ummah of Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. But we are fortunate that we are born, alhamdulillah. So we should fulfill the rights, the true teachings of Islam also.